Okay, we're going to talk about one of the powerful features of BeerTools Pro, although maybe it's a lesser known feature. And that's the ability to edit our fermentable ingredients based on percentages rather than specific weights. So we have a recipe here, and what we're going to do is edit our fermentables based on percentage. To do that, we need to switch our ingredients list to show just the fermentables. That's important. Okay, so when we show just the fermentables, we can see a couple extra rows added to our list. It's the total, as well as a target. And those are critical as we're editing our recipe according to percentages. The first thing we have to do is go ahead and set a target total weight of our fermentable ingredients. In this case, I'm entering 12 pounds. Next, when we look at our proportion column, each cell in the proportion column can be clicked in order to edit it. For pale malt, I'm going to enter 90%. So I click on the cell and enter 90 and hit enter. All right, so what's happened is the quantity has been calculated for us. 90% of 12 pounds is there in the quantity column. I'm going to go ahead and enter percentages for my other two ingredients here. 3% and 7% for my Cara pills. And the total comes out to 12 pounds. Quantity has been calculated for each one of those percentages. Now, one advantage to editing ingredients in this view is that if we want to globally adjust the grain bill to be a little bit more or a little bit less, we can go ahead and just edit the total using the arrows. So bumping it up a few pounds or down a few pounds, that's done globally, but our percentages are maintained when we do that. It's an easy way to tweak our recipe without changing the characteristic of our grain bill. Okay, so that's how we can edit recipes using percentages. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll let you know as new videos like this one come out.